Roundhouse.
How you doing, Shiny?
Okay, I guess. How can I tell if the spookiness is made up or real?
You can ask me. There's an explanation for everything, and it'll all turn out all right.
Good.
So what are we waiting for? Let's go to the haunted Roundhouse.
Enter, if you dare.
You ready, Shiny?
Ready?
Wow, they've really changed things in here.
Yeah, they moved all the extra train cars out of the stalls and made them spooky.
Observe! Snacks for creepy carnivores, awe-inspiring omnivores, and horrifying herbivores.
Please! Oh, Tank, go easy on the snacks. Make sure to leave some for the other guests.
Look into the mystical chambers of the haunted Roundhouse.
I have to walk through those? Oh, they're just to make the place more spooky. They aren't real spider webs.
Oh, yeah? They're real. And I've been working all day on them. I'm exhausted. So, a little appreciation, please?
Oh, your webs are very spooky.
Oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Good evening! Care to feel a bowl full of dinosaur eyeballs?
Dad, those aren't really eyeballs, are they?
No, I wouldn't think so.
Nah, it's peeled berries and stuff. They're just supposed to feel like eyeballs.
Well, they feel kind of like eyeballs, I guess. I've never really felt eyeballs before.
Me neither. Yuck!
Pretty spooky, though, huh?
It is spooky, but fun.
Excellent!
This is so great. It's the best haunted roundhouse ever.
Yeah, come on, you guys. Let's check out that next stall. I wonder what kind of spooky thing we'll find this time.
Okay, that is scary. Is it a ghost?
Is it, Dad?
Well, let's find out.
Tank?
Excuse me. Oh, hi, guys.
That was you making the noise?
Yeah, my mom was right. I have a tummy ache. I think I ate too fast.
What did you eat?
I don't know. I guess it was supposed to be something spooky, but it was green, and it looked really tasty.
You had us going there for a second, Tank. We thought you were something really scary.
Me? Scary? Nah. But isn't this haunted roundhouse the best? Okay, I'm feeling better now. Let's go check out the next stall. Maybe there'll be food.
Watch more on your local PBS station and the PBS Kids video app.